This is the air quality here in my area. 6 miles from Milton Free Water. It says very unhealthy. I don't know what PM 2.5 means, but 225 is where it is on the scale. 0 being good, 500 being severe. And it says avoid long or intense outdoor activities or consider moving them indoors. Sensitive people avoid all outdoor activities completely. This was index AQI-US reported 58 minutes ago, measured 6 miles from your location. Source EPA Air Now. So, yeah, we got a lot of fires going on. It's all smoky out there. Everything's smoky. I was looking out my bedroom window in the trailer, an RV, and it's crazy bad. Crazy bad. Very smoky. I can smell it in here even. Alright, I just wanted to do a quick update on that and show you. Oh, maybe I'll open the window for a minute and see what it looks like over on this side. Yeah, it's bad. You can see it all over. It makes it just look like bad weather, but it's smoke. It's just smoke. All around us. All around us. All right. Please like and subscribe.